Hi, I'm Brandis Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're here at our One Stop, and I've got my friend Kathy with me. Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Brandis.
Hi. She's here to talk to us about a job. What job are we talking about today, Kathy?
Today we're talking about the Vacant Building Program Specialist position, which is an entry-level professional position.
Okay, the Vacant Building Program Specialist position.
Yes.
That sounds pretty cool, and it sounds like we're going to be dealing with vacant buildings?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So this position is actually going to be part of a 6-member team that's dedicated to the Vacant Building Program, which is a program that focuses on underutilized and vacant properties and working with property owners to find long-term solutions for their buildings.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, that sounds like a very important job, and I know that we do have some vacant buildings around town.
Yes.
So I'd imagine this person's going to be a little bit busy. Can you tell us a little bit more?
Yes. So a day-to-day, an average day for this person would be a mixture of out in the field as well in the office.
Okay.
So they would be out looking for vacant buildings that we could add to the inventory, maybe meeting with property owners on site, and while they're in the office, be entering information into our database as well as updating our website so that the public has the most up-to-date information.
Oh, wow. And this sounds like a great opportunity for someone coming out of college that has some experience. You said it was entry level.
Yes.
They get to help the citizens and the city with our vacant buildings and help them not be vacant anymore.
That's correct, yes.
Oh, yes. Oh.
And I want to mention, so our office is involved in a lot of different programs. And so this is a good opportunity for somebody who wants to get to know what public administration or city work is like. We work with a lot of partner departments and partner agencies out in the community. And so this position would have an opportunity to get to know all about that.
Oh, great. So it sounds really great. Can you talk to us about what the ideal candidate looks like in this position?
Sure. So as I mentioned, there's going to be a lot of interaction with the public. So someone who has some customer service experience, who can maybe be diplomatic in their approach in working with property owners, patience, of course, as we are helping them through these processes, as well as maybe being a little persuasive because there is compliance involved, and so having that skill would be a plus. They don't have to have expertise in historic preservation, but if they have a little knowledge of maybe construction or buildings, as well as being comfortable in the office, is comfortable with a computer and software, and I think that would be good. Yeah.
Great. So this sounds like a perfect opportunity for someone who has the want to and some of the know-how.
Absolutely.
And then they can put it all together and be a great member of your 6-person team.
That's correct. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, thank you so much for having us, Kathy.
Thank you.
Thank you. And in addition to everything that Kathy said, the ideal candidate in this position should have at least a bachelor's degree and 1 year of experience in urban planning, historic preservation, customer service, or related field. In addition, the person applying for this position should also have a driver's license because you will need to drive to get to the different sites and talk to the property owners. So if you're interested in joining this team and serving in this position, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers. Also, if you like this video, then I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next week.